Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the cold water inlet valve in your LG washer, you will need channel lock pliers, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Remove the twist tie. Slide the 3 tension clamps back on the hose. Note the orientation of the hoses and use the flathead to detach them from the inlet valve. Note the orientation of the plugs and unplug the cold water inlet valve. Unthread the screw on the inlet valve bracket. Slide the bracket to remove it. Then wiggle the valve free from the bracket. To install the cold water inlet valve, press the new valve in the bracket. Insert the bracket in the panel and slide to lock in place. Rethread the screw to secure the bracket. Plug in the inlet valve. Attach the hoses to the inlet valve. Slide the tension clamps into place. Fasten the hoses together with the twist tie. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Rethread the water supply lines over the hot and cold inlets. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply, as well as the power, and your washer should be ready for use.